Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2004 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. Choose the correct one from among the alternatives A, B, C, D after matching an item from group 1 with the most appropriate item in group 2. Match the item from group 1 to most appropriate item in group 2, and after matching, which one of the following options is going to be right, that we should specify. Okay. In group 1 we have 3 elements: shift register, counter and decoder. In group 2 we have 3 more: frequency division, addressing in memory chips, serial to parallel data conversion. Okay. The main application of decoder is nothing but decoder is going to be used. Decoder used in memory addressing, that is decoder is used in addressing in memory chips. Addressing in memory chips. Addressing in memory chips. Okay. Memory chip address is going to be in terms of binary, and what we give normally instructions are nothing but in hexadecimal form. So hexadecimal to binary we should able to convert. So the information presented hexadecimal has to be converted into equivalent binary. For that one we must require a decoder. Decoder converts, okay, the information present in hexadecimal in case of memory chips. Okay, information present in hexadecimal will be converted into equivalent binary so that the memory can be easily accessed according to the binary information. So decoder is nothing but R must be related to R, that is decoder has to be related to 2. Next, counter. Counter is nothing but counter is used for frequency division. Used for frequency division. Counter is used for frequency division. Mainly either JK flip flop or T flip flops are going to be used internally to get the frequency division. Okay. And not only that one, counter is nothing but, if it is, let us assume, if you are going for the decade counter is nothing but which will be having 10 states. Decade counter, which is going to be, let us assume f clock is going to be input frequency. By that time, f frequency of MSB flip flop is going to be treated as f clock divided by modulus. Modulus implies nothing but, for a decade counter, modulus is nothing but representation of number of unique states. Decade counter is going to be having 10 unique states, so that modulus of decade counter is nothing but 10. So it can be treated as f clock divided by 10. Frequency present at MSB flip flop is nothing but 1 by 10th of clock frequency. Similarly, for the same decade counter, MSB minus 1 bit, if you are going with at that time f clock by 8. Okay. For LSB, frequency of LSB bit, LSB flip flop, frequency of LSB flip flop is f clock divided by 2. So generally the frequency presented clock is going to be gets divided by 2 at the output of one flip flop. If you are using a single flip flop, at that time output frequency is going to be half of input frequency, that is nothing but half of clock frequency. Generally counters are also treated as frequency dividers. So mod of a counter is nothing but mod of a counter, otherwise let us assume mod 5 is going to be also called as frequency divided by 5. Frequency divided by 5, that is nothing but the clock frequency is divided by 5 times. The meaning is nothing but mod 5 counter, which will be having 5 unique states, that implies nothing but it is also can be used for the frequency division purpose. So if you want to divide the frequency by 5, at that time you must use mod 5 counter. If you want to divide the frequency by 7 times, okay, clock frequency has to be divided by 7 times, by that time you must go for the mod 7 counter. In this way counter can be used as a frequency division. Okay. So Q is going to be it is mapped with 1, and shift register is used for the serial to parallel data conversion. Data will be converted from serial to parallel. So for that one, the shift register what we are using is nothing but serial in parallel out. Okay, so for example, serial in parallel out shift register, if you are going with, at that time input for this one is going to be applied bit for a clock pulse. A single bit will be entered for every clock pulse, and all the bits are going to be read out parallelly. That implies nothing but serial to parallel data conversion. Data is entered serially. One bit per clock cycle is going to be entered into this shift register. Okay, and after loading the shift register, all the bits can be read. That is nothing but can be taken out parallelly. All the bits can be taken out parallelly, but while loading here we are going with serially, one bit at a time. So that serial in parallel out is going to be act as serial to parallel data conversion. So shift register is going to be mapping with 3. So P3 and Q1 are 2. That is nothing but the right answer is nothing but B. So the right option for this question is B. Thank you.